Chilly temps on a Monday night. In fact, this is the last Monday night of fall. Yes, indeed. Forecast is going to take us into the winter solstice as well as a look at Christmas Day. In between those is a chance of some much needed rain. Let me start with temperatures. You see them over my shoulder. Closer view. We've got some 40s showing up, but it will not be as cold as it was this morning. When you wake up Tuesday, a few degrees warmer than our Monday morning because of the cloud cover. So we're at 50 now. And as we head outside, we take a look over 410 in Northwest Military at 50 with cloud cover. South wind at 8 miles per hour. Dew point is low, so I'll tell you, these numbers are cold. 50 is chilly, but it's just not as bad when the air is nice and dry. That West Texas kind of dew point at 25. So it's really not going to increase much by morning. And the temperatures, because of the cloud cover, won't go into the 30s for Bexar County or the city. So 43, maybe 41 out at New Braunfels. There will be some 30s, but mid 30s at the most. I don't expect anybody reaching 32 on Tuesday morning. Let's take a look at the highs today. A little below average. We should be hitting 65 instead, about 10 degrees below average for Austin. 58 was closer for us. There were some 60s down I-35. 53 is all they could reach out west in Del Rio. Again, we should be in the mid 60s this time of year. 38 is the norm. It was this morning. 42 the norm, and only 300ths of an inch, but that could change tomorrow. We've got a small trough of low pressure. That's an elongated area of low pressure. Instead of a counterclockwise swirl like you'd see with an area, this is pretty much just one line, elongated, and it'll move in from the west and give us a chance of rain tomorrow afternoon. So the first of any showers showing up on our hour-by-hour forecast about 5 p.m. Looked at all the model data, and it was really 2 out of 3 agreeing on the timing on San Antonio rain, and that it would start very light, Rock Springs, maybe back to Del Rio. But for us, about this time tomorrow night, a few showers. You can see nothing heavy, but some pockets could get heavy. This computer model data throwing it down around Atascosa County, Jourdanton, maybe Pleasanton, sweeping out to the east. Then mid-morning on Wednesday, a few healthier downpours near Gonzales, Cuero, Hallettsville, and you can still see a couple of isolated showers in San Antonio. Wednesday evening, it's more or less east of San Antonio where we stay pretty dry. And then speaking of dry, we stay that way and go into a bit of a warming trend into the midweek. So here's the 14-day forecast. Another chilly day tomorrow where we only reach about 59 degrees under the clouds. Then the warming trend. Look at Wednesday, 71. And then Thursday, 78. That means there will be 80s on the map, especially south of us. Now, a little front comes through, and we cool off on Friday from 45 to 69 before rebounding again, right near 80. For the final day of fall and the first day of winter, Sunday the 21st, we're up to 78 on the winter solstice. Then Monday, 79 to even an 80 on Tuesday, isolated showers. So now Christmas Eve, maybe a few degrees cooler with a weak front sliding through. And right now, Christmas Day, partly cloudy skies, about 73 degrees. So, Kris Kringle, we've got a warm San Antonio waiting for you. The only rain chance to really speak of is going to be the one tomorrow night. Again, the best coverage chance is going to be about this time tomorrow night. And I'm not looking at more than, say, 1/4 of an inch in the rain gauge.